We are asked to condense this logarithmic expression, and you can see it has 4 parts. They all have the same base of p. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use this right here, the logarithm power rule, and we're going to take what was a coefficient out in front and we're going to bring it up and make it an exponent. So let's do that for all 4 of them. First, this 5 is going to come up and become the exponent on the r. So I will have log base p of r to the 5th plus, all right, we're going to take this 1/2 and bring it up here and make it an exponent on the z. So log base p of z to the 1/2 power. All right, same thing here. The 3/2 comes up. It's going to be the exponent on the t. So minus log base p of t to the power of 3/2. All right, and just like we did for the first 3, same thing here. This 5 is going to come up and become the exponent on the a. Log base p of a to the 5th power. All right, the next thing we're going to do, we could do this all in one step. We are going to use these 2 rules over here, the one in the pink and the one in the green. And it's saying that if you have 2 different logarithms, if they're both positive, then you can write it as one logarithm with these 2 things multiplied. And likewise, if you have 2 logarithms and one is positive, one is negative, then you're going to get the ratio. You're going to get the positive one on top of the negative one. All right, written as one logarithm. So let's do this together. We're going to do it in one step. So every one of these is going to be log base p. And then inside here, we're going to have a fraction. And the top are going to be my positive ones, so it's going to be r to the 5th. Try that again, r to the 5th times z to the 1/2. And then the negative ones are going to go on the bottom. So t to the 3/2. And then also on the bottom is a to the 5th. All right, now you might be able to stop right here. It's very likely they will accept this as your answer. You might also want to use what you know about exponents, fractional exponents, and make radicals as necessary. So these 2 can be radicals. So an alternate answer, which they might want, would be this. Log base p, and this is going to be r to the 5th. And then z to the 1/2 is the same thing as the square root of z. Okay, your index is 2. And on the bottom, I'm going to write the a to the 5th first. And then this is going to be t to the 3/2 is going to be the square root of t to the 3rd. Okay, there's the 3, and the index would have been 2. But we don't write 2 as the index, although I've been talking to the math community and I really think that we should. So one of these 2, I'm going to put this one in dashes because they probably want the top one.